Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. In this video I will teach you Smith rearrangement. This rearrangement is very important for your CSR NET exam, SET exam, GATE exam and your MSc exam. Now we can see what are the starting material used for Smith rearrangement, what is the intermediate, what is the reagent for Smith rearrangement and what is the product. In Hofmann rearrangement, Lawson rearrangement, Curtis rearrangement, the starting material is fixed, but in Smith rearrangement starting material is ketone, aldehyde, acid. These are the starting material and reagent is hydroxoic acid. Reagent is hydroxoic acid. Formula is N3H. Intermediate is isocyanate is the intermediate. Isocyanate is the intermediate for the Smith rearrangement. And what is the product? If there is this acid, then product is this, means product is amine. If there is an aldehyde, then product is alkyl cyanide. If ketone is this, then we get this product, means here amide form. If aldehyde, then cyanide, alkyl cyanide is formed. If acid, then there is a amine formation take place. Now we can see the mechanism for Smith rearrangement. First we take the acid, here acid in presence of HN3. Here this is an acid in presence of H2SO4. This reaction is take place. We get the product RNH2 plus CO2 plus N2. The N2CO2 is byproduct and product is primary amine. This is an acid. This is an acid. It is an hydroxoic acid. And the acid is used as a catalyst for this reaction. Now we can see the mechanism for this. Here in presence of acid, what happened here? In presence of acid, the lone pair of oxygen take this proton and we get here RCO plus H, here OH. Then this intermediate is react with hydroxoic acid. This is the formula of hydroxoic acid. This negative charge of hydroxide acid attack on this carbonyl carbon of acid and we get here RCOH, here OH, here N, here H, here N2 plus. Then after dehydration we get here RCOH, here N, here double bond, here N2 plus. Then here it undergo tautomerism. Here this bond take this hydrogen from this OH and we get here CO, here NH, here N2 plus. Then here after elimination of this N2 we get here RCO, here NH. Here charge on nitrogen is positive because here N2 is eliminated. Then after the removal of proton, here we get RCO, here N, here lone pair, here negative charge. Then this alkyl group migrate to this nitrogen and this negative charge donates electron here and we get here alkyl cyanate as a intermediate. Then this intermediate undergo acid hydrolysis. This intermediate undergo acid hydrolysis and we get here the oxygen of water attack on carbonyl carbon and this nitrogen take proton from the acid and we get here NHR. Then under heating condition, here CO2 is eliminated, this bond take this proton. and we get here CO2 byproduct, and product is RNH2. This is the mechanism for Smith rearrangement. Now we can see next example. Here if we take acid, then we get this product. If acid, then we get amine, and if there is a ketone, what is the product? Now we can take here we take ketone. What is the formula of ketone? The ketone formula is this. If we take here, if we take this ketone, then what is the product? In presence of hydroxylic acid, what is the product? Now we can see here this reaction take place in presence of H2SO4. Here in presence of H2SO4, this lone pair of oxygen take proton from the H2SO4, and we get here CO plus, here lone pair of oxygen, here CH3, here H. Then what is the formula of hydroxylic acid? The formula of hydroxylic acid is this. Then it attack on this carbonyl carbon of ketone, then charge on oxygen is neutralized, and we get here C, here OH, here CH3, here N, here H, here N2 plus. Here after elimination of N2, here benzene ring we write here pH for benzene ring, here COH, here CH3, here N2 is depart, then charge on nitrogen is positive. Then after elimination of hydrogen, we get here pH, here COH, here CH3, here charge on nitrogen is negative, here pH, here CH3, here is the OH, here N, here charge on nitrogen is negative. Then here the pH group is migrate to this nitrogen. Then here this lone pair of nitrogen, this negative charge donates electron here, and we get here COH, here nitrogen, here pH, here CH3, here double bond. Then it undergo tautomerism. Here this bond take this proton, and we get here CO, here CH3, here NH, here pH. This is the product if we take ketone. Now we can see for aldehyde. If we take aldehyde, then what is the mechanism? Here reaction take place in presence of hydroxylic acid and in presence of acid. Acid is H2SO4. What is the product? Here this lone pair of oxygen is attack on the acid proton, and we get here this product. Then here the hydroxylic acid nitrogen is attack on this carbonyl carbon of aldehyde, then charge on oxygen is neutralized, and we get here H, here NH, here N2 plus. Then here dehydration take place, and we get here R, C double bond N, here N2 plus, and here is the H. Then this proton donates its electron here, and N2 is depart, and we get here R, C triple bond N plus N2 as a byproduct. If there is an aldehyde, then product is alkyl cyanide. Thank you.